Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making a rabbit wreath, and I bought the wreath at Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was $7.99, and I used my 40% off coupon at Hobby Lobby. And my husband spray painted the wreath gold. It was actually like a grapevine wreath, the brown color, and he spray painted it gold for me. And I purchased that ribbon, that's 2.5-inch ribbon with wire at Michael's, the pink and cream color gingham check. The carrots right there came from Michael's also, and I believe they were $6, but I used a coupon on them too. The little foam eggs are from Dollar Tree. These carrots are from Dollar Tree right here. I didn't use the zip tie, but I thought I might need it to hang it up. And then that's some grass that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And then those are some eggs I found yesterday at Dollar Tree too. You'll need your scissors and floral stem wire and your hot glue and hot glue gun. And you'll need a floral pick or some greenery. That's some I had left over that I got on clearance after Christmas. So I just snipped off 4 pieces of it. And that's the brand spray paint that my husband used, the Krylon, and it's metallic and it's gold. And I got it at Walmart. And so what I'm doing right here is just hot gluing an area that I'm going to apply the 2 green. Well, first I applied that grass. I forgot to do it on the bottom part, but I did remember on the top. But I just kind of hot glued a bunch of glue and then just placed the grass. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to call it grass for now. But anyways, I just stuck it to the wreath and kind of, placed it like I wanted it, not too thick and not too much. Then just added a little more hot glue. And then the second step is to add the greenery. And like I said, we just snipped it off some that we had left over from Christmas. But Dollar Tree has a lot of pretty floral picks in if you don't have any already. So just check at Dollar Tree. So just hot glue them down to the little bunny wreath and let it all dry for a little bit. And then you'll want to take your ribbon with wire, and I just tied a small bow for this wreath. And I have a lot of bow tutorials on my channel, so if you need some help tying a bow, just look back on my channel and there's several videos on tying bows. But this is just a simple one. Just keep it pinched tight in your left hand, and you want to keep your design on top. So if you have to, give it a twist to keep the design on top. And then just cut your ends at an angle. And you'll want some floral stem wire ready, and I used 20 gauge, and I just got it at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And just keep your center pinch tight and give it a few twists, and then you're ready to add it onto your wreath. And you'll just need to fluff it a little bit, and ribbon with wire is really easy to work with, and it holds its shape. So just fluff your loops. And then I'm just going to wire it to the back of my bunny wreath. And after you get it secured, you can cut off the wires, and you can add a little piece of felt or fabric over it so it doesn't scratch your front door. I'm going to keep my wreath inside though. Okay, so just adjust your bow and fluff your loops back up. And you can leave a tail. I forgot to mention that. You can leave a tail down if you want to have your tails hanging down long on your bow. But I just cut mine short for this one. Okay, and next you're going to want to get your eggs from Dollar Tree, and these are the foam little eggs, and we just pulled the string off or trimmed the string off of the eggs, and I ended up using the whole package of the little foam ornament eggs. And I just kind of placed them close together in clusters. Just hot glued them on and let it dry for a little bit. And then I just played around for a little while trying to decide how I wanted to place my carrots and how many eggs I wanted to use. And those are the carrots from Michael's. They're just a little bit smaller, so I went with the smaller carrots for this wreath, because actually the bunny's not that big. When I hung it up on the door, it's actually, you know, not that big of a wreath, but I'm going to keep mine inside. I don't think this would do too well outside, but if you do put it outside, you'll want some shelter from the weather for it so it doesn't get ruined. But I just hot glued everything on. And I believe I used all of the carrots from Michael's that I bought too. So you might want to just kind of play around with it and arrange it on your wreath before you actually start hot gluing to kind of see what you like and what you don't like. Because at first I was just going to use the smaller foam Easter eggs, and then I decided to add a couple of the larger Easter eggs under the bow. So just play around with it and get it like you like, and then start hot gluing. And if you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments section, and I will try to help you. And here we're hot gluing the larger eggs from Dollar Tree, and they are really pretty. I have some more craft projects planned for these. So if you haven't been to Dollar Tree lately, you need to stop by. They just started putting out their Easter decorations, and they have some really pretty decor this year. I just posted last night a Shop With Me Dollar Tree Easter video, so if you haven't checked it out, please check it out too. And I meant to add some more of that grass, but I kind of forgot, and it turned out great anyways. But I just added 2 more pieces of greenery on the bottom, hot glued it on, and then I had 2 carrots left over. So after I secured the greenery, I just added the 2 carrots at the bottom, and I think it balanced the wreath out. I was just thinking it was needing something else, and so we added some greenery and some carrots to the bottom of the bunny. I thought about adding a bow, and I even tied a little bow, but when we placed it at the bottom, we decided it looked better without a bow at the bottom. I like it nice and full. So here it is hanging on my door. And in this video, I don't have the little pink styrofoam Easter eggs on the very end of the carrots on the left and right, but I went back since I had 2 left, and I went ahead and added them to the wreath, and I think it turned out really cute. Just seemed like after those carrots I needed something else, so we had those 2 pink Easter eggs, so we just added them, and I think it turned out really cute. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and please like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys.